Welcome to another very exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So Smith-Morra gambit. I should have tried the bishop d3 line. g6 is a bit unusual. Okay. Still have a hack attack, I think. I think bishop g4 is bishop f7 for knight g5. He tries to play for that. Oh, naked can play bishop g4 now. I can play h6, which is, I think, getting an interesting position. That pawn. I know it seems as I've blocked up all my attack. That could be the case, really. I just have to f4, f5 this. Is he not going to shield my c4 square, is he? f5 takes knight d5. a4 is covered at the moment. Well, he plays it anyway. I can't 100% see the point of that pawn sack. Bishop b3. Coming up looks pretty solid to me. Can I be greedy and take this? There's knight a3 check and rook b8. There's a4 there. It looks a good way to get queenside squares, just to take this, to be honest. I'm not doing anything on this side of the board. So I might as well do something on this side of the board. What's the idea of this? I still can't see a raging attack. Not yet. He's now 3 pawns down, and there's no apparent attack. Looks like I'm going to get 2 rooks for the queen. I'll be happy with that. Is it okay taking that? I'm protecting c8 again. I can afford to sack a pawn. d5, he's not got rook b2. Doubt it. d5, sack 1 pawn back. And d6. There's no way rook b2 is working. King takes. Check. King here. Not. I can't play rook takes anyway, it's not a legal move. I'm just giving back 1 pawn, I've got 2 connected passed pawns here. Was the idea of trying to make me think or something a lot before taking the pawns? I'm just thinking of the squares. I don't think of winning the pawns as such. I'm thinking of the potential squares. I can start thinking about the pawns later. Eventually they become potentially dangerous passed pawns, but I was, just the squares that attracted me about the pawns. I'm usually the one giving up all the pawns. Alright, rook moves rook c8 check. You just double the rooks on f7. Oh, he's going to take on h6. Maybe I should have played f5 to keep my form pawn. Okay, that is a regret. On the other hand, there's a bit of time bought with that pawn. It hasn't gone in vain totally. Take on f7, take on c1. I'm not convinced. Oh, there's rook d1. I am convinced. Do I start moving the pawns? b4. Things got tricky. Didn't need to lose h6. Now he starts caring about pawns. I gotta get these guys up. Yeah, taking is like asking for trouble on c1. Get these guys going. King c2, king b3. Ah, now he's interested in pawns, yeah. Get my rook to c1, but I want my king here first. That would be a bit weak if it comes all the way. And rook c3 picks it up on h3. Why have things got so complicated? He's going to get me to block my own rook. Right, I need rook c1 to h1, a4 and then b5. Oh man. f5 for bishop f4. I've messed this up. He's really supporting his one pawn now. Ah, after all those pawns, I was looking forward to all those bypass pawns. It's his pass pawn that takes center stage. He's always got the check for rook g3 coming up. I've got rook c1 at the moment. Rook c8 for e6. Okay, I have to sack here. Right, can I not just take that? I suppose there's rook g1. Is there rook c2? Try and save the day here. 30 seconds to finish me off.
Check.
Great, I've just blundered that. It's tactical.
Check.
It's a real shame. I really thought I had this game.
Check. 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 Time warning. Check. Check.
Oh.
checkmate.
It's really sick because I was the one that should have won with the passed pawns. That's tragic. It's tragic. I should have won with the passed pawns. Instead I lose my form pawn. He gives up all his pawns as if he doesn't care about the ending. Oh, it's going to be annoying as well. Is that getting counted? Where is it in history now? I think I should take off that examine. I don't know what the whole point is if he's going to play like this. But anyway, I let him take my fawn pawn. F5? Surely. What was the point of the engine's move anyway? I'll just win E4 for H6. Blown most of the advantage, just losing that pawn, that one pawn. I'm not 3 pawns up anymore. I'm just 1 pawn up. Black's better now. E3 is a real crushing move, isn't it?
Check.
It's gone. Jeez, man. This is just unreal. This is unreal. Why isn't F5 such a bad idea? It's not a bad idea, is it? It's easy to play, isn't it? Keep the dangerous form pawn. Engines don't seem to care what they're losing here. Oh, rook d1. Oh, for bishop h6 potentially. I think I got a bit swindled, but after losing the form pawn, he's got a dangerous outside pass pawn essentially. So actually, the value of this form pawn needs to be assessed as essentially quite critical, because that is a potential outside pass pawn. I mean, if this one was removed, I'd still have this as buried to this. If that one was removed, I mean, that's the scariest pass pawn in the position. Actually, oh well. Comments, questions, likes, appreciate it. Thanks very much.